So in this video I'm going to go through an example question using the cosine rule. So this is the triangle that we've been given, and the most important thing at first is to label that triangle up correctly. So we've only been given one angle here, this 115, and if you look at the equation, the only angle in the equation is A, it's because angles are denoted by capital letters, so this must be our A here. And then we know that the length opposite that is just a lowercase, so we'll label that lowercase a. And then it doesn't really matter which you label up as B and C, as long as you're consistent in using B and C in the equation. So I'm just going to use the 9.2 as B here, which means this angle opposite is capital B, and then that's my C. Then it's quite easy from here, you just have to substitute the numbers into the equation. So we don't know our A squared, that's what we're trying to find out. Then we've got 9.2 squared plus 5.4 squared minus 2 times 9.2 times 5.4, and then cos of our angle, which is 115. Then we just have to neaten this up. You can do as many steps as you like, you can put it all into your calculator if you want, but I recommend doing it in stages so you don't make a mistake. So we get A squared equals 113.8 minus 41.99, and then 2 minuses make a plus. So we get A squared equals 155.79. And then don't forget our angle is just A, but in this equation we've got A squared. So to get A on its own, you just have to square root this answer you've got here. Square root. And that gives us a value of 12.48. Don't forget your units, it's in metres. And that's your final answer.